You can eat Ben & Jerry's 3 nights a week and still lose fat. Here's exactly how. 3 flavors today: mint chocolate cookie, chunky monkey, and strawberry cheesecake. Stick around for that one. Mint chocolate cookie first. Add in 1.5 cups of fat-free ultra-filtered milk, which has 50% more protein and 50% less sugar than regular milk. 1 scoop of vanilla ice cream protein powder. And now for the peppermint taste, we're using peppermint extract. Basically 0 calories and gives this that nice peppermint taste. And now for some sweetness, for 0 calories, use some 0-calorie sweetener, 1/4 teaspoon of Terra gum. This will help make the ice cream creamy instead of icy. A pinch of salt to help boost the flavor. And now blend it up using an immersion blender. I highly recommend getting an immersion blender over a milk frother because it mixes up the ingredients really well and super easy to clean. Now I'll throw it in the freezer for 24 hours. Next day, run it under some warm to hot water to make sure the sides aren't too icy. And now we'll drop it in the creamy and hit the light ice cream setting. For the mix-in, we're using 4 Oreo Thins, and to save about 50 calories, I remove the cream. We'll throw that into the middle and hit the mix-in button. This entire pint is 334 calories and 44 grams of protein. Compare that to Ben & Jerry's version. Let's try out the mint chocolate cookie. And to be straight up with you guys, I don't really like mint flavored ice cream. Cookie taste, you definitely get the peppermint taste. So I'll say if you like mint chocolate chip, you're gonna like this. Chunky monkey is next, and if you've ever eaten the real thing straight out of the pint, you already know why this is on the list. Same milk, same protein powder, and now add in 80 grams of a ripe banana. 1 tablespoon of 0 sugar banana pudding mix. That's what locks in the banana flavor without adding sugar. 0-calorie sweetener, Terra gum and salt. Blend it up and freeze. Light ice cream setting. Make a hole in the middle. Now add in 10 grams of mini chocolate chips and walnuts. Toss that in, hit the mix in button, and there you go. This entire pint is 458 calories and 46 grams of protein. Compare that to Ben & Jerry's version. Let's go ahead and try the chunky monkey. There's nothing like a banana base. Super creamy. It's the perfect amount of sweetness. You have the crunchiness of the walnuts and the chocolate chips. This one's good. If you like these recipes so far, be sure to hit that like button so more people can see this video. And now for the one I told you to stick around for, the strawberry cheesecake. In a blender, add your milk and a 1/2 cup of frozen strawberries. Blend that up, and now in a separate bowl, we're gonna add in all our dry ingredients. Protein powder, 0 sugar cheesecake pudding mix, 0 cal sweetener, Terra gum, and some salt. And now mix it on up, and now we'll pour our wet ingredients into the dry. I'm doing it this way to keep the blender from creating too much foam. That way, when we pour the mixture in the pint, it doesn't overflow. Mix it on up. And now we'll pour it into the pint, and we'll freeze that for 24 hours. Next day, light ice cream setting. And since we don't want to pulverize our strawberries, we'll manually mix in 2 chopped strawberries into the pint using a knife. And once that's done, we'll add in some crushed up graham crackers to top it off. And there you go, 343 calories and 44 grams of protein. Compare that to Ben & Jerry's version. Let's try the strawberry cheesecake. Nice creamy base. Fresh strawberries taste so good in this. It has that good cheesecake taste from the pudding mix. This is a good one. Definitely give it a try. If you have any ice cream flavor requests I haven't done yet, drop those in the comments below and you may see that flavor in my next video.